Hello, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and accepting your free video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away that's going to help with your online presence and get more organic leads. Now, it is important to mention that nearly 70% of those organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is really important that you have your website fully optimized. So as you can see, we are on your website and you have a good looking website. It looks like you have separate pages for each of your services, which is great. That's exactly what you need. Every one of your pages needs its own unique content focused around those local buyer intent keywords. So your homepage looks like we do have some content here. Not sure what this is. Doesn't click to anything. Think that needs a little bit of an edit there. Not seeing a whole lot as far as local buyer intent keywords in your content. Let's see. Okay. San Francisco metro area. So, since you service the entire metro area, you're definitely going to want to add pages for the additional cities and communities that you service so that you can be found in those areas. Again, each with their own original content and local buyer intent keywords for your services for that community. Now, Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It's all based on content. Content is key, so it's very important that you have a lot of content and that you focus around those local buyer intent keywords. You need to have more content than your competitors, and Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,500 words, which is going to be 150 words for every keyword you're wanting to target. Now, those local buyer intent keywords are going to be the keywords people are actively searching in Google for the services that you're offering in their community. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they need. And so that's how your content needs to be built around those local buyer intent keywords. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages, pulling the original content and keywords so they can index you for those keywords, rank you, and put you in front of your customers when they're searching for your services. One of your number one competitors organically in San Francisco is Swift Restoration. They have an okay looking website. They do have a separate page for each of their services. They are trying to target those local buyer intent keywords. They do have more content on their pages. But these guys should still be fairly easy for you guys to beat. You're going to need more content that they have, and those additional service area pages, as we mentioned, focused around the local buyer intent keywords. And then a website by itself is not going to be enough to be found. It needs to have search engine optimization to support it. When we look at Ahrefs here, you do have a really good score as far as trust flow goes. And that's because of your referring domains and backlinks. You do have some good quality referring domains, but it is important to note that not all backlinks and referring domains are created equal. You do need high authority ones. Which means that they're directly related to your services and industry. Not all backlinks work for every industry, so it is important you're getting the authoritative ones and that they're do follows so that they can share the power and help you to rank. But Google only gives you credit for one backlink for every referring domain. So all these extras, Google considers spam and aren't actually helping you. Now, it looks like 50% of your referring domains are do follows, so only 86 referring domains and backlinks are actually helping you and contributing to the score. So you're going to need a lot more than those 86 to be able to beat your top competitors. You're going to need more in quality as well as quantity. You have been indexed for 65 keywords, and you're getting about 4 people on average to your website a month. So this just shows you how important optimizing your website is so you can capture the traffic, because you're missing out on a ton of volume. Looking at your keywords, you have one keyword that is on the first page, and that's San Francisco Property Restoration Services. So looking at your keywords, there is a considerable amount of volume out there for you, but you're going to need to optimize your pages for that. Okay. If we look at your competitor, they have a really poor score of a 1.3 with over 800 backlinks. So again, that shows you not all backlinks are created equal, and you need to have authoritative ones. They have 59 do follows, so you need more than 59, which I think you have them beat on that. These guys have over 200 keywords indexed, and they're getting 82 people on average to their website. So optimizing your website, working with your content and keywords, you should be able to capture this traffic and more. Your backlinks are very important. These are what's going to help you to rank. You need to have these tied not only just to your brand name and to your website, but also to your keywords. So your keywords can rank to the first page, so you can be found for those services in each of your service areas. And then the Google Maps section here, your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for every service area for your relative keywords, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3, you're sending all of these leads to your competitors. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are citations, which is going to be the name of a business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and in each of your service areas with those local buyer intent keywords. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really hope these tips are helpful and you're able to apply them and start getting that organic traffic. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.